Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell by the title of the video, today we are riding the CRF250L with the Supermoto Warp 9 wheels on. So I'm gonna get right into this, give you guys my first impressions, see how it feels, see how it wheelies, all of that special stuff. And do the first Supermoto wheelie. Woo-hoo! I haven't wheelied in so long. First impression, guys. These are super smooth, like mega smooth. Like I feel like I can just go back and forth, back and forth. Cornering is gonna be super improved. You hear that? You guys hear that? No, you don't, right? Exactly. These are so much quieter than the stock dirt tires or any dirt tires that you put on the bike. My dirt tires are so freaking loud at speed. All you'd hear is just non-stop anytime you're going over 30 miles an hour. So these things are freaking quiet. They might be a little squeaky, the new rotors and brake pads, but they are quiet. Perfect time to get a stoplight because we'll use the braking power of that new front rotor. So we've got an oversized front rotor on there now. Brakes so much better. I did change out the brake pads too, front and rear. Rear rotor is the same size. Ergonomics, guys, this is awesome. I'm completely flat-footing it, sitting on the bike with my knees kind of bent. I can even stand up over the bike and flat-foot it. So ergonomics are great. It honestly makes it feel like a lot smaller, but I like that because then I can sort of manhandle the bike a little more, throw it around a lot easier. Guys, so I actually did go ahead and lower the PSI in the rear tire. Shout out to KG Rallo. He gave me that advice. I've kind of heard it before, but I know this man can wheelie, so I took his advice, lower the PSI to make sure we don't go quite as wobbly. So that should help with us staying straight in a path and not going side to side. All right, let's try another wheel ski here. Oh, still going a little sideways. It has also been 2 weeks since I've wheelied, so take that into account. Ah! See a lot of side-to-side movement. I do not like that. The old bridge. It is fun, guys, now being able to take these turns a lot lower and quicker. Yo, fuck you. An asshole. Do a little Supermoto jump. Can you jump a Supermoto, may you ask? Why, yes, you can. I'm gonna run back a couple first gears, see how they feel. And definitely gotta get used to it again. Yeah, that's for sure.
Feeling like I'm top 5. Top. Look, I know I'm top 5. Just gon' make the block ride. Caught them on the back street. Gotta tell them bye-bye. They don't want no beef. No, this isn't Five Guys. Yeah, I'm coming for the chicken. I ain't talking Popeyes. White girls, black girls.
Keep on going. This is a good little speed test. Easily cruising up to 70. And we don't have to slow down quite as much for this corner because we can just lean into it. I like that, baby. And it's just so smooth. My old bike, whenever you got up to speed, the old setup with the dirt tires, when you got up to speed, it would really go back and forth, side to side, side to side. So it was a lot sketchier, but these are super smooth at speed. It's weird because this bike is like now actually fun to corner on. I would get so scared on the stock wheels because the grip just wasn't nearly as good, but now I can actually lean the bike. Guys, this light is going to take too long. Fuck it, let's go do Supermoto things. Supermoto things. Supermoto, go this way now. Supermoto, act like he did nothing wrong. Supermoto, go back on street. It's definitely a bit of a different geometry, so the front sits definitely lower than it did before, and it's just because they're both 17s now. So the front used to be a 21 and the rear was an 18, so the front stuck up a little bit more, but now it's a lot flatter. but I like it. It looks great. Feels fucking amazing. We're obviously still getting used to the wheelies, but that will come with time. Guys, we're actually gonna go back to the spot where I destroyed my bearings on my old wheel for old time's sake and to go redeem myself. All right, this is where it happened. Oh, and there's a guy practicing wheelies on a bicycle. That's impressive. You're good, man. Thanks, man. That's a sick bike, too, actually.
I waved to you to tell you there was a fucking cop in here.
Dude, I literally pulled down. I'm like, oh, okay, there's a cop. Yeah.
License, though, so you're good.
Yeah, I'm chilling. Appreciate it, though.
Man, what size is that? Like a 650?
I wish, dude. It's a 250.
Really?
Yeah, it's a 250L.
Oh, that's like a Supermoto?
Yeah, dude, I literally just put these wheels on yesterday. Yeah, but it's a Supermoto now. Have a good one, though. Yeah, thanks. You too. Slow down to about 15, 16. And dump the clutch. That wasn't even good, guys, but like that was the best one so far on these new wheels, so yeah. Yes. That's exactly what we need. That was the best one yet. And it was probably the shortest one. My callus is just peeling off. I can feel it. Ugh. Alright, I say we keep moving here, because it's looking overcast. Yeah, guys, the wheels are good. I think I just need to get more used to them first, and then I'll be able to wheelie them a lot better. So if you enjoy this video, please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subs. I think we're at like 979 right now, so like 21 more, and then we're there. So please, subscribe and get me to 1,000. Ooh, looks like the cop vacated the premises here. You know what that means. Just get it right up to balance point. Yep. Slow it down. I can't wait for the day when I'm just able to do coasters and shit. Man, that'll be cool. One day, baby. One day soon, hopefully. What is that little thing? Oh, it's a little razor? Is that what that is? Maybe they're coming over here. What's going on? This little kid. Gotta be careful wheeling though, because I do not want to run into him or him to run into me. There we go. You got wheelies? I like your bike, man. That thing's sweet. Look at you shredding it. Let's see a wheelie. Woo! All right. All right. All right. Nice work. What's that? All right, I'll do one. That little kid doesn't know how good he's got it. If I had a bike like that at his age, man, whew, I would have loved it. My mom hated motorcycles though. She still does, by the way. Especially me doing wheelies. Later, boys. Whew, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, because this was a lot of fun. But stay tuned. We got plenty more content to come. Otherwise, please like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.
To my stylist, I'm fed up. Me, I usually keep it chill, but I'm fed up. I was trying to bite my tongue, but I'm fed up. I don't ever get bitter, just better.